हेलो फ्यूचर इंजीनियर्स, वेलकम टू टुडेज कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनर। अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हो तो आपको पता ही होगा कि क्लासेस, असाइनमेंट्स और लैब्स के अलावा अब ये एक और नया सिस्टम आ गया है। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द AICTE एक्टिविटी पॉइंट्स एंड द कैंपस लाइफ ऐप। वी गोइंग टू ब्रेक दिस डाउन स्टेप बाय स्टेप टुडे सो दैट आपके सारे डाउट्स बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएं। लेट्स गेट राइट इनटू इट। So the magic number you need to remember is 100. If you are a regular 4-year degree student, आपको exactly 100 points earn करने हैं अपनी डिग्री कंप्लीट करने के लिए। अगर आप lateral entry से हो, like डिप्लोमा के बाद आए हो, then your target is just 75 points. And yes, ये completely mandatory है। पर सुनो, टेंशन लेने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है। It sounds like a lot of work right now, but trust me, by the end of this explainer, you'll see how manageable and actually fun this can be. Here is a quick look at what we are covering today. AICTE Points Explained, the Campus Life app setup, the complete activity workflow, tracking your hours with QR, proof and documentation rules, and finally, a real example with some pro tips.
All right, let's jump straight into part 1, AICTE Points Explained, and how they help in building real skills.
Let's shift our perspective for a second. Look, पढ़ाई तो सब करते हैं, right? But these points are about building actual real-world skills. Think of AICTE activity points as a social credit system for us engineers. Technical knowledge अपनी जगह ठीक है, but companies like TCS, Infosys, and top startups, they don't just want students who pass exams. They want problem solvers. They want socially conscious engineers who have leadership skills and empathy. ये पॉइंट्स आपको सोसाइटी के बीच जाने की अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं। रिक्रूटर्स को एक एक्चुअल स्टोरी चाहिए होती है, एंड दीज पॉइंट्स गिव यू एग्जैक्टली दैट। There is an amazing variety of things you can do here. There are actually 16 official categories, but these ones are some of the most popular where your tech brain actually shines. Computer science वाले students, आप लोग cyber awareness या digital literacy camps लगा सकते हो. Mechanical and civil students can easily work on sustainable water management या automation of local industries. You can even help local government schools. The trick is, अपनी branch के हिसाब से activity choose करो. It makes the work effortless and highly impactful.
Moving smoothly to part 2, the Campus Life app setup. Now grab your smartphones right now, क्योंकि सारी एक्टिविटीज का जो टेक्निकल ब्रिज है ना, वो है the campus.life app. इसके बिना कुछ ट्रैक नहीं होगा. Step 1 is super simple. Head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for campus.life and hit install. Very straightforward. Once you open the app, it's going to ask for your 10-digit mobile number. अब यहाँ थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. You absolutely have to enter the registered mobile number which you gave to your college. Number डालो, login click करो, and an OTP will be sent directly to your registered college email ID. बस उस OTP को copy करो, verify पर click करो, and you're in. Okay, login करने के बाद, look at the bottom of your screen for the My Campus tab. Tap on that and just search for your university. Like here, you can see the VTU icon. Just tap on your specific university's icon to enter the portal. Now you are inside your university dashboard. यहाँ आपको events और my events के icons दिखेंगे. This is exactly where your department coordinators will post the activities. And if you tap on the instructions button, you'll see your exact requirements. देखो, regular 4 years के लिए 100 points, lateral entry के लिए 75 points. ये specific page literally आपका official tracker बन जाएगा. Let's move on to part 3, the complete activity workflow. Now, how does this actually work in your day-to-day college life? ये workflow थोड़ा bureaucratic लग सकता है, but it's actually a very logical chain of command. भाई पहले अपने mentor से बात करो, directly field पर मत निकल जाना. Select an activity idea and discuss it. उसके बाद आपका staff coordinator उस event को campus.life app में create करेगा. Only then you enroll in the app. फिर आप field पे जाओगे, QR attendance scan करोगे, and finally report submit करोगे. If you mess up this sequence, points register नहीं होंगे. Next up is section 4, tracking hours and QR attendance. Let's talk about the actual mechanics on the ground. How does the university know you are out there doing the work? Simple. The QR login and logout system. आपका mentor आपको एक specific QR code देगा. जब आप location पर पहुंचते हो, you scan it to check in. जब वापस आते हो, you scan to check out. और एक बात strictly सुन लो, proxy नहीं चलेगी यहाँ. The app has active GPS and location verification. आप hostel के room से scan नहीं कर सकते. The system automatically calculates your hours based exactly on these scans. A typical activity gives you about 20 points, right? And for that, you need to show around 80 to 90 hours of work. I know, 90 hours सुनने में बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है. But look at this breakdown. It's totally cumulative. You don't do it all at once. You can spend 25 hours just serving or researching, maybe 40 hours of actual field execution over a few weekends. And listen to this, even the 15 hours you spend just typing the final report counts towards your total. So relax, you can easily spread it out smoothly.
All right, Section 5, Proof and Documentation Rules.
This is exactly where a lot of students mess up. काम करना एक बात है, but proof देना is the real game. No proof, 0 points. The documentation rules are incredibly strict. सबसे पहले, normal phone camera photos बिल्कुल नहीं चलेंगी. You absolutely need geotagged photos with the date and location stamped right on them. Just download the GPS Map Camera app for this. You'll also need a daily logbook, a solid 25 to 30 page final report, and most importantly, official stamps. अगर school गए हो तो headmaster का stamp, village में हो तो PDO का stamp. Make sure you collect these signatures before leaving the site.
Finally, Section 6, a real example and some pro tips.
Okay, let's put all these rules into a real-world scenario to see how an engineering student scores a perfect 20 points. Imagine you choose a cyber awareness campaign in a local government school. Day 1, आपने mentor से approval लिया और app में enroll कर लिया. Day 3, आप school गए, QR scan करके check-in किया और बच्चों को password safety सिखाई. Day 5, you were actively taking those geotagged photos while wearing your college ID. Day 10, workshop खत्म हुई, आपने headmaster से appreciation letter और उनका stamp ले लिया. Day 14, report submitted. Boom, 20 points logically, smoothly, and perfectly secured on the app.
And here is a massive pro tip for you. Please, do not wait until your 8th semester. Finally on में placement और major projects का इतना tension होता है, you really don't want these 100 points hanging over your head. Start early. Choose activities that genuinely match your branch. CS वाले digital literacy करें, civil वाले water management करें. Go talk to your mentors today and get your events rolling.
So I'll leave you with this thought. जब आप finally उस dream placement interview में बैठोगे, will your resume just be a boring list of exam scores? Or will it tell a compelling story of how you designed a solar system for a village? Or taught cyber safety to 50 local kids? Use these AICTE activity points and the Campus Life app to build that actual story. I really hope this explainer made the whole process crystal clear for you all. Thanks for tuning in. Now go out there and make a real impact.